Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a Verizon wireless Galaxy Note 5, in which we're gonna try something a little different this time. Because we're gonna go through our validation. We're gonna go through our validation. First, we're gonna run this device on Swappa. This is a Verizon Galaxy Note 7. Which is reported lost or stolen Verizon Galaxy Note 7, in which, yes, we are Page Plus dealers. So we're just gonna go ahead and log in our dealer section, because we're gonna verify our through Page Plus portal. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna pause the video so we can log in with our credentials. Okay, we are back now. We're logging in with our backdoor for Page Plus. So we're gonna validate, because the thing is, when it comes to Verizon phones that are reported, they're not gonna work for Page Plus, because we have to validate the Imei first, and which is the same Galaxy Note 7 Imei, in which it says false, then that means we cannot activate it. If it says true, then we can activate it. So as you can see, eligible for activation false, because of the reported status that you see also on here, Swappa. So this is part 1 of the Verizon Galaxy Note 7. Tune in. Thank you for watching.